YouTube, what is up, man? It is your boy Dude, and I am bringing y'all a banger today, man. So that will be dropping my graphic pack, gun sound pack, mods, NB, Reshade, all that, man, all the simple stuff. Cause there's a lot of people been asking me for my graphic pack, saying, "Oh, can you drop the pack? Can you drop it? I need the graphics." And today I'm bringing it to y'all, man. So with that being said, let's get into this video, man. With that, man, click the link in the description. It should bring y'all up to this page right here. And once you're on this page, man, you'll have everything. You'll have the citizen, ENB, mods, plugin, reshade, and the sound pack. Once you have all that, just click download, man. That's all you gotta do is just click the download button. It's not that hard. Once you click the download and you get the file, I'm gonna show you what to do once you do all that. So we're gonna get into the next part. All right, so boom. Once you have that, what you want to do, you want to open up the file. Once you open up the file, it should bring y'all up to this right here. It should say Duke FiveM graphic pack. Once you do that, open it up. Then next, you want to go to your FiveM application. Don't mind that. I don't know what I just did right there, but um, yeah, just open up your file location for FiveM. Then you want to go to FiveM application data. Once you do that, the citizen in here, you want to delete it. Drag this citizen right here over to FiveM. Once you had did that, we're gonna move on to the next one. It's just the same thing, basically, just a drag and drop. That's all you're doing. So once I'm done dragging and drop everything, you'll see what's what. And for the mods folder, if you don't have a mods folder or a plugin folder, you can just drag and drop both of those, and it'll just make it for you, and you'll have them already. But you will have to set up the plugin for Reshade. Drag and drop all this, plays. Plugins. I already dragged that in, but do that just in case, you know. Okay, and for your sound pack, you open that up. What you want to do is you want to go to your GTA, go to your GTA file location. If you have it on Epic, you will have to go through Epic. If you have it up on Steam, you'll have to go through Steam. I got it on Steam, so I'm gonna go through Steam. Right, so boom, we here now. Then what you want to do, you want to go to X64 audio SFX, and everything up in here, you want to drag and drop it. That's all you want to do is just drag and drop. Once you dragged it and dropped it, everything will be right there for you. You'll be good to go. And for the reshade, what you want to do is put your reshade either on your desktop or drag it to somewhere. And once you do that, you will have to copy the location that you put the reshade for to be able to put it into FiveM. Once you put reshade and everything, if you don't know how to get reshade, I will drop a link down up in the description also for that tutorial. Um, with that being said, man, that's the graphic pack. All right, man. So y'all see, I done showed y'all how to edit and everything, and this how it look. This the graphic pack. If you liking it, let me know down in the comment. Make sure y'all drop a sub, turn the bell on. I will be having Discord, all my socials up in the description. If you like the graphic pack, leave a thumbs up. Once again, make sure y'all tap in with me on Chord. Like, I need servers and everything to play, man. I need servers. Somebody suggest me, point me to the right server, man. I be out here just, you feel me, thugging on my own, bro. Like, somebody point me in the right direction, but I'm not gonna yelp y'all ears off. But if you'd have made it this far, man, then appreciate the love and the support. Everybody that been supporting the shorts, everybody that been dropping subs. Hey, man, I'm doing it, man. You feel me? Yeah. But I'm not gonna yelp too much, man. Once again, it's your boy Duke, and I'm out, man.